Hey, how's it going guys? Saud here. In this short tutorial, we will take a look at an extremely important concept to understand when you're using mscripting compiled WebAssembly code runtime initialization. If you recall from the previous section of this course, when loading away the assembly module using the JavaScript API, the initiate streaming method used to load and initialize the WASM provided us with a promise, meaning that when that promise is resolved, our WebAssembly module is initialized and ready to be used. That's however not the case when you're using mscripting instead. Our WASM is loaded by the mscripting generated JavaScript file, leaving us somewhat as to when our module is actually ready to be used. Now it's for this reason that mscripting automatically runs the main function as soon as it's loaded the WASM. We can simply rely on starting our WASM logic from here and everything will be fine. That said, what if we need to call a static function from JavaScript as soon as the WASM is ready? Let's test this. We still have this getString function, so immediately after including our mscripting glue code, log this out, the return value of that one we exported. Underscore getString recompile our WASM without our getNumber function. As we remove that, restart the server, back to the browser, watch what happens. Remember, we are calling getString immediately when the page is loaded, reload, and we get this error. You need to wait for the runtime to be ready. For example, wait for main. Now what interesting here is that we are very clear getting a useful error directly related to what we are trying to do, not just a generic undefined function for this, of course, being as the script in JavaScript is already ready. Aware of this getString function, it just simply wasn't able to execute it as the WebAssembly module wasn't ready. So to wait for this layer event from our JavaScript code then and not rely on main being executed, we can set a callback function on the module object we looked at previously, module which is coming from this script here. So important that we define this often including our script in JavaScript file setting on the runtime initialization property to equal the callback that fires when the WASM is ready. I'll make this an anonymous function in which we do the same log function again with an extra log makes each of runtime ready. Save that, restart the server, head on to browser, reload, and this time we get the return of getString logged as soon as the WASM is loaded and ready. So hope you guys understand. In the next tutorial we're gonna talk about mrun, so see you guys then.